Hello to my second and third grade students. This is our second week of teleschool, and we're going to do lesson 6. This lesson is due on 3/24/2020. As you all know, we're in current energy crisis. The lesson name is Renewable and Non-Renewable Sources of Energy. Okay, so if you have that lesson plan in front of you, go ahead and turn to the third page. Let's go ahead and review our essential questions. We know that the essential question is what you should know by the time we complete this lesson, or what you should be able to answer by the time we complete this lesson. So the first essential question is, what energy sources are mainly used in the United States? In what ways might we impact the supply and demand for energy? And what alternatives to fossil fuels are currently being developed? Okay, so we should be able to answer those three questions by the time that we're finished with this lesson. All right, some vocabulary that I want you to review as well as define. Okay, renewable, non-renewable, hydropower, biomass, geothermal, nuclear fusion, turbine, solar energy, wind farm, refinery, hydrogen, natural gas, wave power, methane, propane, petroleum, and carbon. Now, some of these terms we've already seen in previous lessons, but I do want you to review and define each of those key terms, okay? So, moving along to our activating strategy, or our mini lesson or hook, I want you to answer this question. So you're going to get a sheet of paper, and I want you to write this question down and answer it. And we're going to answer each of these questions using the RACE strategy, okay? We're going to restate the question, answer it, cite your source, and provide evidence, all right? So what is an energy source? How does your body use energy, and what is its source of energy? What would happen if you did not eat? Have you ever gone a day without food? Again, you're going to use the RACE strategy to answer those questions. What is an energy source? How does your body use energy, and what is its source of energy? What would happen if you did not eat? And have you ever gone a day without food? All right. So you all have the packets, all right, for this lesson. We are going to be reading for meaning. So you're going to, let's see, we have some different sites, I believe. You already have an energy information booklet, and we're going to read for meaning. And also during this time, since you're at home, I want you to research these different things. So research what energy sources are mainly used in the United States. Research in what ways might we impact the supply and demand for energy. Research what alternatives to fossil fuels are currently being developed, okay? And you guys are, I know my third graders, you're able to pick up devices at, I believe, Tri-Cities. So if you do not have the internet, or you can use your cell phones. These smartphones are come in handy. As well as on the back page, we have a list of links. You can try these links here to help you answer those questions. All right. So if you're finished with that, and you're doing, once you complete your reading for meaning, the sheet that you have, it says the type of energy, arguments for the statement, arguments against the statement. Arguments for the statement means that you agree. Against will mean you disagree. Okay. So you'll use this sheet to help you with your research. And if you're finished, I have a think tattoo. You guys can work on some of these activities as well, okay? If you have any questions about what it is that you're supposed to do, feel free to contact me at ruckerad@fultonschools.org. I also am updating our class website, www.drruckersrockstars.weebly.com. And it also has a Google number on there where you can actually call and contact me if you have any questions. I hope you guys are staying safe. I miss you all so much. If you have any questions, please contact me. Have a great day.